how are you? It is me, Fern. I am at home today. I was in Japan recently and it was fun. I love to travel and it was nice to just get around to different places like Osaka, Hiroshima and Tokyo. But I am back, and the first few days that I've been back, I've just been doing a bunch of life admin. So just cleaning the house. I had a friend that was house sitting as well. I need to get my car serviced, all of that fun stuff. So I ordered a couple of pieces a while back from a jewelry brand called Grace Hui. I went out and I picked up the parcel a couple days ago, and I'm so keen because their pieces, especially the ones that I selected, were based on your birthday. So I picked a few pieces and they're very personal and I can't wait to show you guys. It's super exciting. I'm collaborating with them as well, so I can't wait to show you guys the pieces that I got. So while I have been back, I have reverted back to using my Hermes Her bag, and I know this is a favorite on my channel, but I am so glad to be using this bag again. And the past few days I've just been running a bunch of errands and doing some things. As I said before, I ordered a couple things online and I was keen on getting jewelry. I picked up an item from the post office, which I have in my bag. I'm so excited. I have been dying to open this, but I've also been saving it for the video. So the brand of the jewelry that I got is called Grace Hui. I ordered 2 items from the brand and I am so keen to share the brand with you guys, especially since I have been looking for more jewelry. I feel like my channel is mainly about designer bags and fashion, so getting more into jewelry is something that I really wanted to explore. So Grace Hui is a designer jewelry brand that fuses Eastern elegance with spiritual wisdom, and there's a lot of Oriental influences in their products, which I really appreciate. So the brand blends traditional artistry with modern aesthetics, and a lot of their products are more than just jewelry pieces, but they're personal experiences as well, which I'll show you why. I'm gonna unbox the item and I'm super excited. So I did order 2 pieces from the brand. This is it, and here is the box for the jewelry pieces. The box opens, there are 2 tabs there, you can actually split it like that. The jewelry comes out like that. How beautiful. So I should mention that I ordered 2 pieces from their 5 Elements collection, and with this collection the 5 Elements aligns with your birth date. So I reached out and I sent them my birthday, and they said that I am the metal element, which stands for strength and clarity. So I got the bracelet and the necklace. So the first item that I have is the metal element bracelet. So here it is, the metal element bracelet. So with the metal element bracelet, there is a little clasp that you can press and then you can undo the bracelet. And it's also embossed on the main metal bit here. So it's a really nice sturdy chain and it is stunning. And there's like a little magnetic closure as well, so it sort of clips back in. So the next item that I ordered is the Shin metal necklace. So this one's the metal element necklace, and inside is mother of pearl. And again, this was the element that was selected for me based on my birthday. So this is what the necklace looks like on me. I really love this one a lot, actually. I normally do a lot of like silver jewelry, so it's nice to have a piece that is gold. So yeah, that is my little jewelry haul from the brand Grace Hui. I got my pieces engraved, so I don't know if you can see it, but it says Fern on the necklace, and on some of the pieces on their website you can get it engraved. I do have a code that you can use. It's fernn15, and that gives you 15% off, so definitely check it out, and I'll put the details in the description below. Okay, so I also wanted to show the jewelry stack. So because the Grace Hui necklace is really nice and dainty, I want to show you how I'm going to stack the jewelry. So I've got this necklace here, and I'm just stacking it with the Grace Hui necklace. That's kind of what it looks like. And I'm also going to pair it with my Trent Nathan watch, which, as many of you know, is very sentimental to me. So we've got the gold on silver, and then lastly I have my little brass ring from Galanta in Japan. There we go. So we've got gold, gold, silver, gold, silver. So that's kind of how I would stack everything up. So just to recap, Grace Hui is a luxury jewellery brand that focuses on cultural depth, luxury craftsmanship, and a personalised experience. The metal element bracelet that I got is in silver. The piece features a minimalist chain, and it's engraved with an embossed design of gold ingots, which symbolises the accumulation of wealth and fortune. The second piece that I got was the shin metal necklace, which is designed in this gold tone with mother of pearl inset into the pendant. So the shin metal is like a sharp blade, which represents cutting directly to the core and embodying decisiveness and efficiency. So this piece is very different to what I normally have, so I was super excited to try it. So that is my video on these jewellery pieces. I hope you enjoyed this content, and if you're new to this channel, definitely check out my other videos and hit subscribe. Anyway, I hope to see you in a future one. Bye!